Other than exuberant wilderness, Rurutu doesn't have much to offer its visitors. The villages are not packed with tourist attractions, but customs have to be kept alive in traditional crafts, which are one of the main forms of income for the islanders. But there are one or two surprises in store for the divers. Rurutu also has French roots after all. The divers need to have a high-calorie intake, and they found just the place to get them.
I did not expect to find this on this
Really?
small, remote island. No.
You know, it's French Polynesia. They have some traditions.
Oh. Wow.
While their boat is being repaired, they can only wait and watch while others demonstrate their diving prowess. A new day brings fresh hope, but although the sun's out, diving conditions are bad. The divers want to reach the open sea through a pass in the island's fringe reef. There are only a handful of these gates in the reef. Things aren't going to plan.